What's up, Block fam? In the garage today, and we're going to be doing just a real quick how-to video. So we're basically taking the regular plate mount that is on the Softail Low Rider S. It's going to be the same one that's across a lot of Harley bikes, and we're going to put a laydown license plate bracket onto it. Doing the legwork is your boy.
Hey there, how's it going, Blockhead fam?
What was that? What did they call that last time? The Mr. Rogers intro. Oh, hey, didn't see you there.
Didn't see you there.
Also in the garage, we've got David.
Guys, moral support.
Moral support.
Oh, shit. Doing
Chilling.
a great job there, bud.
Chilling on the chopper.
I like this. You're supervising. Oh, yeah.
You got the white hard hat.
So we're doing today, we're getting this like stand-up plate mount. We're taking that off, throwing it in the trash, getting rid of another reflector because you don't need these things. And then we're gonna put a laydown plate.
So yeah, if you guys want the laydown plate that we're putting on here, it's from, where's it from? Kuryakin, right? Yeah. So Kuryakin. So you guys can find the link down in the description below if you want to scoop one up. Just a heads up, the bolts that come with it are pretty garbage, and everybody that I've talked to has had them snap, so we're just using stock bolts on ours.
They break every time. The nylon on the bolts, on the nuts, are super like, I don't know if it's like petrified or whatever, and like you're literally like tightening them and then the bolts just snap. So first things first, we're gonna bust off this 7/16 nut back here. Oh, thank you, Block. And then throw that on the ground. Take that off. And then you gotta get the nut from back here. I wonder if the camera's getting it. All right, got one out. All right, I'll just get the last one out. Oh no.
He's our magnetic tray.
Yeah. Scalpel.
10 blade.
We Gucci. Bam. Trash. Now we need that hardware. Block in the bike.
Yeah, you know, I just got done putting a couple 100 miles on it. Just got back from Georgia, going through the rain and all. No big deal.
Just, you know, for dinner.
Yeah, pretty much. Up to Georgia and back for dinner and a couple beers with John Maxwell and her two wheels.
All right, so on this Kuryakin license plate holder, the triangle thing is clocked a certain way. So you gotta make sure you line up all the holes. It doesn't line up. Make sure that way. Right, so hopefully that's enough thread. I'm gonna test fit it and then I'm gonna put some Loctite because you don't want your plate flying off.
Yeah, that'll suck. It's got about that much thread. As we tighten it down, the rubber will compress, and with the Loctite, it'll be fine.
All right, I need some Loctite. It's got the lock washers on it, but I still want to put some Loctite. All right, so I'm gonna use red Loctite because like there's no need to ever take this off.
We need it flying off.
We don't need this flying off.
No, I'd like to keep my plate, please.
Who lost their plate recently? Someone did. I think it was Greg.
I think Reese lost his.
Yeah, Greg did.
Right now he's like eating a bowl of cereal. F you guys.
And you got tacos.
And you got tacos without us? All right, so pretty much I'm just putting all the bolts in. I got it. I found it. Oh. Literally, a dab will do ya. A dab will do ya. That's it.
Dab will do ya.
Especially this red stuff. This is like, I don't want to say it's forever, but David, I need you to put your pretty hand right there and hold that.
Tiny screwdriver.
But it's not about the size, it's about the motion and the screwdriver. All right, move it over to the right one. Yeah. All right, go over to this one. You know what I should have used? A shorter socket. Hindsight 2020, 2020. All right, go back to the right one. R2D2? What? When did he come in? What's up, bro? Hey. Come on. Yo, go get me a beer. R2D2. I think that's good. I think we're gonna call that.
I think it's solid.
Hey, papi. There you go. Installed. Very nice.
as easy as doing that. And then these pieces come out. Basically, you've got like an outer frame bracket and the plate goes underneath that. And then these bolts go through that part of the plate. And it looks a lot more low profile than obviously it's sticking straight up. It's a nice aesthetic. Put the right size. Oh,
Come on, man.
close. Nice.
Teamwork makes the dream work, though.
That comes up like that.
Dang, Block.
Dang. So what you want to do is like put these like screws in without stripping the thing.
So you gotta line up the outer bracket, the license plate. How many hands does it take to do that?
Foe.
Yeah. Anyway, so you basically tighten those down and then boom, that's it. You got your lay down plate.
Boom, pow.
Boom, pow. We got that boom, boom, pow.
Cue the music.
Yeah. Sure to go follow Eric, link, and in the description below. And shout out to Aaron at Orlando Harley South for hooking me up with that. Appreciate it, man.
So if you like what you saw today, please like, comment, subscribe, share,
You gotta do it.
show your mom. I don't know.
Tell your dad.
Tell your dad.
If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you hit that like, it helps out the channel quite a bit. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity.
Boom.
Until next time,
Deuces?
ride safe,
Oh, right, safe, stay vigilant.
stay vigilant.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
We'll catch you guys on the next one.
It's really hot. Dude, it's really hot today.
Deuces.
Now later, deuces. Damn it.
Appreciate you, bro. Thanks for the help, man.